Sir, I just want to ask about, you apologize to Governor Espino and Mr. Sison and the Baraan, the brother. What went wrong in the validation process of that matrix? Because I understand
Nothing went wrong. Everybody was correct. But the focusing was, there were lapses. Connect. They probably hit a snag somewhere and they stopped. So tinitignan ko yung iba, sa DILG. So kung naman kayo trabaho dyan, magtrabaho kayo. So give me a chart there.
But this
Hindi
list,
ko makonect eh.
sir, but this list still ended up on your table and you announced it. Will anyone be held responsible for those lapses? That
No, I take full responsibility. Ako yung nag-announce, hindi naman itulong. Sabi ko in this drive, I take full responsibility. Even if the soldiers and the police would commit a serious wrong, I will assume that mistake. And they can file charges against me, fine. But my answer to the judge would really be something like this. Judge, nagkamali ako, I'm sorry, but I have to inform the people immediately so that they take guard of their surroundings and prevent the contamination of drug. Ako, hindi ako I am not, hindi ako kargado ng fried chicken kagaya ng iba. Ako pagkamali, masama nga bunganga ako, pero ako nagkamali. It comes from the heart. I am very sorry.
Thank you, sir.